the MS sensor, this can take up to 230 different kinds of sensors right now as part of the automation. We are using, because we like granular matrix sensors for soil moisture, we're using Watermark's voltage adapter, and this can allow us to add a Watermark soil moisture sensor or a temperature sensor and join it to the Tempus network. It can accept right now almost 30 different kinds of soil moisture sensors.
And you just tell it what's connected, or is it picking up on
So how it works, everything runs off a 9-volt battery. How you program it is you Bluetooth it through your phone. So the first thing you do, put the battery in. It'll ask you for Bluetooth. You type in the number that's on the bottom of this. Then it'll show up saying, hey, I'm adding a sensor. On your phone, it will show you, when it tells you, when you tell it which sensor you want, what color wire matches with what. So it's foolproof. Then it does a test unit, and then once you get the sensor adapted, it geolocates. So wherever you put it in the field, it shows that location to tag it to it, and then it tells you if it's in range of a base station, if you want to link it, or you can store it independently in the machine and go back and check it. So you don't have to do, you can pick it up with your phone. You don't have to tie it to a base station and make it report. So some people can use these just as Bluetooth valve operators or something like that. So this is not what normal people would see, but this is the test platform because I'm on the thing. So if I go to my location, which is right here that we have running, it's called Brookdale Big Hill. This is the components that are connected to it right now. I click Canopy, and this shows me where I'm at. So I can select my farm, and it'll zoom in, and I'll hit Map once it loads all the units, where everything is. So here's my base station next to my pond. Here's my master valve or main valve that controls all the timing. I have irrigation valves going up the hill. Up here I have a multi-sensor which has soil moisture and temperature. I have a flow meter down here, and I have a pressure switch in this one and a pressure transducer which gives us live pressure here. This is just some of the basic setups. So right now if I want to see how I'm irrigating, I go to a cluster. This is my program in essence, and this is going to load my base station. So today I'm not watering. Tomorrow, if I had the pump plugged in, I'd be watering main valve 1 for 4 hours, main valve 2 for 4 hours, main valve 3 for 4 hours. Here's your color code. It can tell you water. You can have it trigger a separate fertilizer operation, which will show that visually with a barcode under there. It shows you when you're operating pressure. It can also allow you to trigger those valves to have a high pressure, low pressure, or once we know the standard flow rate for that, greater than 10% difference with the flow meter, which can alert you if you have a leak. So you can tailor it to do anything you want. You can change all your time schedules.